Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're taking a look at something I just got from B&H Photo. For the longest time I've been shooting on Canon mirrorless cameras, and not the large ones like the R and the RP and the new one that was just announced, but the smaller ones, the crop sensor, the APS-C. And what I normally use is a 22mm f2 lens, so I get a good blur behind me, but it's really compact. So I use this for my professional photography, I use this for street photography, headshots. But what I've been doing, as you can see here, is I've been doing a lot more video work. I've begun my YouTube channel up again. I've been doing a video a day. So I thought I need some kind of different lens that's better for video. So I decided to get the Canon 11 to 22mm EFM lens. So this is something that I kind of already had, in a way, if you think about it. I have the 10 to 18 EFS lens. That goes for like the traditional DSLRs, think like the SL2, the 90D, anything like that, that works on a cropped sensor DSLR. But because I use this, and I have the M6 and now I'm using the M100, I use the M100 more. It's perfectly acceptable for photography, and the focusing is perfect for video. So what I thought is I want to keep things as compact as possible, because previously I was using the SL2. This one is going to be that replacement for the 10 to 18mm that I was using with this, with the adapter. And that means the back camera body was this big, but then the lens was gigantic. So I'm just looking to at least cut the size of that adapter off. And I mean, this lens is going to be less wide, it's going to be shorter, it's going to be a shorter, smaller lens all around. So I did get this. This goes for $3.99 at B&H Photo and pretty much anywhere else, unless you get it used. But, now this is not sponsored or anything. If you do get it through online, I don't know if you can get this in store, but I always do online in-store pickup, you get a free UV filter, which I use all the time instead of a camera cap, just in case for like really quick photos I need to take or video. And then outside of that, you get, oh wow, this cool little cleaning kit with a little pouch for everything. Let's see if we can focus on this. Comes with a spray bottle, a air blower, a little duster thing, and then a pouch for everything. So that is cool. This is basically everything I need. Normally, Chiaro, I don't remember how much I pay. I always get the cheapest UV filters possible, because if you crack it, you just put another one on. For more professional shoots that require a UV filter, I get something more expensive and something that I believe would have better clarity. But using these cheap ones, I don't see much of a difference whatsoever, at least for my style of shooting. So we're going to open this up here. And yes, this thing is tiny compared to the one that I have. And for me, it's all about convenience. So I love this. All right, so if you know what this is about, you have your focusing ring here on top, which is really smooth. Unfortunately for the 22mm, I dropped that maybe about a week ago, and now it just has a little bit of a hesitation, but still works perfectly fine, because I'm getting focused here, I'm fine, I'm happy. So when you connect this here, of course you would take this off, expose that, and that's the lens if you want to take a look at that. And to actually use the lens, it comes here locked, so when you have it maybe in your bag or in your pocket, it is small, but when you open it up to begin to use it, it extends the barrel out here, and as you as you zoom in and out, it just moves a little bit. So when you're done, smaller package to keep. I'm loving this. So the size, I'm already happy with that. So if you know anything and want just to do a very quick comparison between the 10 to 18mm, that begins at 4.5 at 10mm. This begins at 11mm at an f4, so a little bit better with light. I would not consider this a low light lens whatsoever, just because if you shoot with this, you're gonna have to turn your ISO way up. But still, love the size of this lens. Love that I have the same idea of that bigger lens for the EFS DSLRs in this much smaller package without an adapter. Alright guys, this has been an unboxing of a Canon 11 to 22 millimeters. If you have any questions, I'm going to begin using this one maybe in the next video. Alright guys, again, thank you for watching. Find me on Instagram at m8b9. Email me at matt8b9@gmail.com for anything you need. Comment down below if you want to begin a discussion or ask any questions about this here. And of course, like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.